How to set video as wallpaper on iPhone without app. Is it possible? Have you ever wanted to set a video as your wallpaper on your iPhone but don't want to download any extra apps? Well, you're in luck. Today I'll show you how to do it easily and without any third-party app. So let's dive right in. So whether you want to use a video you've shot or something from your gallery, I'll show you the step-by-step process to set it as your wallpaper. First things first, what you need to do is open your settings app and simply go to wallpaper section. Simply click on add new wallpaper. From here, what you need to do is simply click on live photo. Now choose the live photo you prefer. Now as you can see here, once you tap on the screen, the photo plays as a video. You can choose whichever you prefer. After you've done that, simply click on add, or you can simply adjust the weight and as a video as well, as you can see here. After you've done that, simply click on add. That's it. Now you know how to set a video as a wallpaper on iPhone without downloading extra apps using the live photo feature. It's quick and simple, and it adds a little extra flair to your phone.